So what happens to your minor children if you pass away? This is a huge question that is on everybody's mind who has a minor child. It actually keeps a lot of people from getting their estate planning done, but this should actually be the reason that you run to get your estate planning done. A couple of things, and I'm attorney Mike Massey, and we have helped thousands of people with these guardianship documents. So you want to think through them. You want to make sure you get them right. But don't delay. And you also, I recommend not putting the guardianship document inside of the will, because if you put it inside of the will, it's a lot harder to change. If you keep it outside of the will, it's very simple to change. It's a 1 or 2 page document that's very easily amendable. All right, so you've got a family. You got mom and dad and a couple little kids over here. And this is just saying what happens to the little ones if something happens to mom and dad. No one wants to think about this, but we want to be prepared for it. It's like life insurance, right? You don't want to collect on the life insurance, but it's nice to have in case you need it. Maybe you want to send your kids somewhere else in the world. Pardon my very bad drawing of a globe. Let's look at a couple things that you're going to think through. 1, would you name someone different than the natural law and the court would, right? Courts usually look at parents and then siblings. You may be saying, there's no way that I want my dad to raise my child. There's no way that I want her sister to raise our children. Values. Do they share your values, or do they have a different value system? Religious, life values, worldview, etc., right? So you want to think through both of those. Abuse. Is there someone that the court may name that actually abused you, or has abused another child, but the court may not catch that? That could be something huge. Addiction. Is there someone who has an addiction problem that you definitely don't want that person, your children, to go to? Temper. Do they have a temper problem? International. Are they located internationally? If so, that'll be for another one of these blogs that we'll do, video blogs. Are they greedy? Are you worried that maybe they're going to start taking the money of your children? We can talk through these issues, right? I'm Mike Massey, attorney and owner of Mike Massey Law, and we would love to have this conversation with you. I hope this helps you as a starting point as you explore guardianship documents for minor children.